Hello and welcome to the Void Acoustics walkthrough for the Inca series amplifiers. The following will explain the functionality of the UI and demonstrate how to configure your Inca series amplifier. There are multiple videos covering each of the 5 main pages of the UI. This video is for the output page. The output page is set into 4 separate sections: routing, delay, equalizer, and speaker preset. Under routing, you are able to select the zone signal source for the speaker based on the output. The output you have selected is stated at the top by the tabs 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can rename your speaker output here by double-clicking on the name. You also have information on which zone is selected and what the speaker is. If you have loaded a preset, this is where that information will show. You have gain control, mute control, and polarity control. Under the delay section, you are able to see the 4 tabs for each output, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, here you can rename, change the polarity, mute, and volume control. You can turn the delay on, and you have multiple different options to set delay by samples, millisecond, feet, and meters. The maximum delay for each one is 4,800 samples, 100 milliseconds, 112.5 feet, or 34.3 meters. Under EQ, you have access to all 4 channels again, with the 4 tabs at the top labelled 1, 2, 3, and 4, with the ability to rename, change polarity, mute, and volume control. Under the EQ, you have 10 separate EQ bands, with the filter types parametric, low shelf, high shelf with a 6 dB per octave, low shelf with a Q value and high shelf, low pass with 6 dB per octave, high pass with 6 dB per octave, low pass and high pass with 12 dB per octave, an all pass of first order or second order, band pass, notch filter, low shelf and high shelf of 12 dB per octave. The EQ from one output can also be copied over to a second output. The last main section of the output page is the speaker preset. This is separated into multiple different kind of subzones. This is applicable to channels 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can either create your own presets or load in a preset from the preset library available on your Inca 500. To load a pre-made preset, once you select speaker preset, you can click on Select Preset from Library. This will bring a full library of all the available presets for the Inca amplifier. You can also import a preset from file if somebody has sent you one, and you can also export any custom presets you made. The preset can also be cleared by clicking on Clear Preset. If creating your own preset, you have access to crossover and gain, speaker EQ, the ability to add an FIR, driver alignment through delay, polarity, limiters, and the output mode, which will either be off, low Z, high Z at 70 volt or high Z at 100 volt. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to email support@voidacoustics.com or call the office at +44 1202 666 006.